Bitcoin traps have been going off in the crypto market in the last couple of days, so actually last 24 hours. And yesterday on the channel, I told you that there was going to be a trap. I told you that you have to be paying attention to what happens over these big announcement periods. And exactly as we predicted right here in this video, these traps got set off in the crypto market. And I want to give you guys a huge update on exactly how we're tracking right now. So what am I trading plus a ton more? So the breaking news that we did get in the last 24 hours, we do have that 25 basis point drop that we predicted. That prediction has come true as well. So breaking, Federal Reserve cuts interest rate by 25 basis points. And there is interesting stuff happening. So there was lots of manipulation happening on the chart, and this is exactly the trap you had to pay attention to in the short term. But have a look at this. Fed chairman says Jerome Powell says interest rates will stay the same or be cut a little or cut a lot. I don't think a rate hike is anyone's bad case. And what actually happened is in the cryptocurrency market is the big money out there. And remember, when you are looking at these prices, especially in the short term, you have to be aware that many of these pumps, these dumps, they are controlled, right? They're going to be controlled by market makers, big whale groups, and all they're looking to do is liquidate the noobs in the crypto market. So take people's money off them in terms of liquidation price levels, right? So they're setting up very interesting pumps, and we got a nice little pump here, but then they're setting it up for another dump to come in. And you can actually tell by the size of some of these scam wicks that are coming through, and some of them have been pretty significant indeed. So you can see right here, that was a massive kind of fake out pump, and then we had this, and look at this scam wick in particular. That's a big one. So huge volatility. They actually pushed it up to $94,500. Wow. Catching the FOMO traders, right? So if you're going too high, your risk management isn't in place. You're doing too high on the leverage, you're going to get wrecked right on that candle. And you can see they've just pushed it back down, right? So at the moment, it's sitting at $90,500. And my exact trading setup that I'm doing right now is I'm actually going to be holding off on trading for the short term. And the reason is I want this storm to blow over right now. So I don't want to jump into the market when it's too choppy. It is a little bit choppy right now, and I want to see how this plays out, how the smoke settles before we get into the next kind of trends we can spot with more data confidence coming into the crypto market. So at the moment, it is just wavy momentum. It is pumping. It is dumping. And but let's check out the 4 hourlies as well. Did we lose it? No, we're still in a bullish signal, but this is probably going to flip to a bear signal once we cross this level right here. So if we fall below 89,600, we've officially re-triggered the bearish trends on the 4 hourly candles. And if we have a look at the daily candles, right here, you can see it's okay. It's not looking terrible. It's okay. But it still needs a lot of work to actually flip into a bull trend right here. But you can see it's actually not a bad trend. The colors are holding up as long as we kind of work our way back up in terms of like this. So if we snake up like this, that's going to be quite healthy for a bullish long-term position. And what else is interesting? I do think you should be paying attention to precious metals as well, because this is signaling the state of the health of the overall US economy and the global economy. So if you have a look at the precious metals today, $62 for silver. Wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Wow, gold is looking strong as well, but FOMO is coming in for silver, gold. People are not trusting the US money supply. They're not trusting fiat. And this is setting up Bitcoin and crypto to be in a good position. But I would also say, unfortunately, crypto market is full of market makers and manipulators who can just slam candles around, which is not great. But the fundamentals of crypto are still pretty solid right here. So I have to say, short term, you have to pay attention to the trap of liquidators, pump and dumps, and just the basic stuff of not going too high on the leverage when you're trading, right? So if you're going too high on the leverage, you will get liquidated. Always have a risk management process in place. And we're going to have to just see how the rest of this month goes. I do think the rest of the month should be good though. So we're going to get through this patch, and I expect actually a bullish end to 2025. But that's only 3 weeks away, and we're going to find out how we go. But we will be doing lots of trading right here. If you enjoy the trading action, the short, concise videos, like, subscribe, follow. It's completely free. Really appreciate you watching this. I will see you in the next one.